Hello guys, this is my first vlog. And dahil naboboard ako, let's made some random videos. At sisimulan natin yun sa Arduino or Arduino ba yun or Arduino. And una natin gagawin ngayon is using sound sensor. And let's make it. So let's go guys, let's go. Guys, nagawa na natin yung sound sensor pero parang hindi ako satisfied dun sa LED. Siguro buzzer na lang, tapos try nyo i-remix na lang yung pangyayari. Sige, try natin sa buzzer. Oh, yan guys, buzzer na, kaya let's go, let's try it. Ayun, maganda naman siya. And that's all. So that's all guys, and please consider subscribe kung nagustuhan nyo man feed ko, and don't forget to click the notification bell para sa update kayo sa mga bagong video. Thank you for watching, bye bye.